Which gas is liberated during photosynthesis? Options are A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, and D. Hydrogen. Answer is option A. Oxygen. In which algae fucoxanthin pigment is found? Options are A. Red algae, B. Blue-green algae, C. Brown algae, and D. Green algae. Answer is option C. Brown algae. What is the scientific name of the tomato? Options are A. Allium cepa, B. Solanum melongena, C. Solanum tuberosum, D. Solanum lycopersicum. Answer is option D. Solanum lycopersicum. Which of the following is a short day plant? Options are A. Pea, B. Rice, C. Barley, and D. Oat. Answer is option B. Rice. Which pigment is responsible for the green color in plants? Options are A. Chlorophyll, B. Carotenoids, C. Anthocyanins, and D. Betalains. Answer is option A. Chlorophyll. Which plant hormone was first discovered? Options are A. Gibberellin, B. Ethylene, C. Cytokinin, and D. Auxin. Answer is option D. Auxin. Who is known as the father of modern genetics? Options are A. Carl Linnaeus, B. Gregor Mendel, C. Stephen Hales, and D. Jan Ingenhousz. Answer is option B. Gregor Mendel. The absorption of water by seed is an example of options A. Imbibition, B. Osmosis, C. Photosynthesis, and D. Respiration. Answer is option A. Imbibition. Which among the below vegetables is a root? Options are A. Corn, B. Lettuce, C. Broccoli, and D. Carrot. Answer is option D. Carrot. From which organism penicillin is extracted? Options are A. Bacteria, B. Fungus, C. Algae, and D. Virus. Answer is option B. Fungus. Who discovered the photosynthesis process? Options are A. Carl Linnaeus, B. Stephen Hales, C. Gregor Mendel, and D. Jan Ingenhousz. Answer is option D. Jan Ingenhousz. Which is the outermost wall of the flower? Options are A. Calyx, B. Corolla, C. Gynoecium, and D. Androecium. Answer is option A. Calyx. Which one of the below is used to test the presence of starch? Options are A. Copper sulfate, B. Iodine, C. Potassium dichromate, D. Ethanol. Answer is option B. Iodine. Paleobotany is the study of options A. Algae, B. Liverworts, C. Fossil plants, D. Plant diseases. Answer is option C. Fossil plants. Phycology is the study of options A. Ferns, B. mosses, C. fungi, and D. algae? Answer is option D. algae. Which plant hormone causes closure of stomata? Options are A. Gibberellin, B. Abscisic acid, C. Cytokinin, and D. Auxin. Answer is option B. Abscisic acid. Which one of the following is a creeper? Options are A. Pumpkin, B. Money plant, C. Pea plant, and D. Grapevine. Answer is option A. Pumpkin. In what form do the plants store their excess food? Options are A. Glycogen, B. Chlorophyll, C. Starch, and D. Oxygen. Answer is option C. Starch. A collection of pistils in a flower is known as. Options are A. Sepals, B. Gynoecium, C. Petals, and D. Androecium. Answer is option B. Gynoecium. Which one of the following is a Hesperidium type of fruit? Options are A. Lemon, B. Apple, C. Fig, and D. Banana. Answer is option A. Lemon. Which disease infecting the rice plants is known as foolish seedling? Options are A. Sheath blight, B. Bacane, C. Blast, and D. False smut. Answer is option B. Bacane. The process of planting trees in the destroyed forest areas is called. Options A. Reforestation, B. Deforestation, C. Afforestation, and D. Proforestation. Answer is option A. Reforestation. Which of the following is a long day plant? Options are A. Rice, B. Cotton, C. Wheat, and D. Soybean. Answer is option C. Wheat. Who introduced the binomial nomenclature system? Options are A. Stephen Hales, B. Gregor Mendel, C. Charles Darwin, and D. Carolus Linnaeus. Answer is option D. Carolus Linnaeus. Onion is a modified. Options A. Leaf, B. Stem, C. Root, D. Fruit. Answer is option B. Stem.